Section 4.6, Creating an RFI. To create an RFI, start by clicking on Communication Management. Then click on RFIs. Then click on Add RFI from the top blue menu. The RFI number will auto-populate. The status will be automatically set to pending and will change to open once you have submitted the RFI. The co-author and co-author RFI numbers can be used for the subcontractor's information if desired. Start by selecting the contact to which you would like to send the RFI by clicking on the List of Values button next to the To field. You can scroll through the list and select a contact, or you can use the Find field to search for a contact. Once you've found your contact, select their name. If you'd like to send a copy of the RFI to someone, click on the CC field. Select the List of Values button. Check the box next to the contact you would like to include. Click the Accept button. Enter the description of the RFI under the subject field. The date created will automatically populate as today's date. If you'd like to change it, click on the calendar icon to the right and select the appropriate day. The date required field will be automatically set to 7 days after date created. To change it, you can click on the calendar icon and select the appropriate day. Enter the RFI details in the question box. If you have any suggestions, you can enter them in the suggestion box. If you know the cost or schedule impact, you can go ahead and select the appropriate options and then enter the amounts to the right. To save the RFI, click on the Save button on the top blue ribbon. You will notice that it now says Not Submitted. This means that only you can currently view the RFI. This is the appropriate time to add any attachments and related objects. To add attachments, click on the Attachments tab. To add attachments that are already uploaded to CMiC Documents folder, click Add Attachment. Then click the blue plus sign. To select the document type, click on the List of Values button in the Type column. Select the appropriate document type by clicking on it. In this case, it will be Construction Documents. Click on the List of Value button under the Number field. Then you can select the appropriate document. Click Accept. Now click Save. Your list of documents will be below. To link a related object to the RFI, such as a communication, issue, or daily report, click on the Related Objects tab. Then click on Assign Objects. Select the document type by clicking on the down arrow button. In this case, we'll select Communication. Click the checkbox next to the appropriate communication and click Accept. Now you'll see the linked object listed below. Now it's time to submit the RFI in order to finalize it. Click on the RFI Detail tab to go back. Now click on the Submit button in the top blue ribbon. The RFI can now be sent directly to the consultant via the Send IO Email button. When you click the IO Email button, the email information window that pops up will be auto-populated with the information you selected previously. You can change the contact to which the email is sent by clicking on the List of Values button next to the To field and selecting the appropriate contact. If you'd like to have a copy of the RFI emailed to somebody, make sure to click the CC button. Now click the Send button on the top or the Send button on the bottom of the window. The RFI will be sent. To see a history of the RFI, when it was sent, answered, and its current status, you can click on the History button.